Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. So listen guys, I am in the middle of a huge home renovation for one of my YouTube friends. She's going to be sharing a lot of it on her channel, and I will be giving you guys some little reveals after she does her piece. So I am headed out, and I just wanted to kind of capture this opening before I headed out to do some shopping, because I wanted to share with you guys kind of my process and rationale behind why I chose some of the pieces that I chose, and then some tips and tricks on how you can renovate your home luxuriously for less. So I hope you guys enjoy this live shop with me. I am so ecstatic about all of the content that I've been able to bring to you guys. And if you're loving the content, leave me a heart down in the comments below. And before we hop into today's video, I just wanted to share with you guys two things. And this is the jacket that I hauled last week. You got many of you was like, I want a fashion show, I want to see what it looks like on. So as I wear them, I will incorporate them into my videos instead of just doing like a fashion haul, because I've been so busy with life in general, and you guys are going to see exactly what I'm talking about. So here's what the jacket looks like on. I paired it with this cute little fuzzy sweater, and this is what it looks like from the back. So, and I love the fact that you can unbutton the sleeves. I'm not going to do that today, but yeah, you guys. And I'm wearing my natural hair today. I actually got my natural hair pressed out yesterday, and it is doing really well. I don't wear it a lot because I'm just like, natural hair, you have to be really committed to the cause. And I'm committed to the cause of having natural hair, but I'm not yet fully committed to the cause of what it, what all is entailed in taking care of natural hair. So I do have a stylist that just focuses on natural hair. Then I have another stylist that focuses on like sew-ins and things like that. So that's kind of how I maintain my hair. And then in between, if I get braids or other protective styles, like most protective styles, I'll do myself, like if it's an updo or a low pony or something like that. But if it's something like braids or whatever, of course, I get that professionally done. I don't know why I'm sharing all this with you guys. I guess we're just, being a little bit more candid and allowing you guys to see little snippets, of my life and a little bit more into, who I am. And so I hope you guys are enjoying this. So without any further delay, let's go shopping. Okay, you guys. So today we are looking at lighting, and I wanted to start by looking for my most glamorous lights first, because I know that that's going to be the statement piece in the dining room area. I absolutely love, really eye-catching pieces in the dining room and living room spaces. So that is actually where we're going to start today. I like to start at the higher end lighting fixture stores, because I like to get a feel for the actual fixture that I may like. Number two, I like to see if I can find a dupe for that at like a Home Depot. And then number three, I like to get price points so I know my overall budget for lighting. Okay, you guys, so I am looking at lighting for the man cave at the Home Depot, and I'm loving the matte black like this you see here. I love that, but it's not exactly the size that I need. Here's the exact one that I'm loving. You can see it up close. Let me show you guys here. It's $129, but it's the wings on it is reversible. So I am really liking that. Okay, so we are off to our third store. I absolutely love the lighting in this store, but the problem was I continued to get distracted by the super duper cute spring decor and bunnies. I just thought that was such a cute collection of bunnies and just overall dishware and plateware. And you guys know, after I saw all of this, I got so off track. Like, I looked at maybe 3 or 4 light fixtures and then it was over. I was into the dishes, wishing that I could have found this place when I got married. I mean, it was, for those of you guys who love tablescaping and dishes, like, this was heaven. I also found out that they had a sister store, and I went to go visit the sister store. And in the sister store, they had like custom bedding, custom furniture. They also had some lighting. They had pillows and all kinds of stuff. So I spent like hours in this store. I loved, everything that I found. There were so many different things that I loved about it. Maybe it was the texture from the bedding or a pillow shape, or, I mean, there were so many things to see in this store. They were not, when I tell you guys, they were not lacking for things to see. They were not lacking for things to see, and they were still getting inventory. So I will definitely be incorporating a few of these pieces into some upcoming projects. So you guys stay tuned for that. And I'll leave you guys with a few more of my favorite finds of the day. How did you enjoy that? Yes, it was fun, right? Like, I absolutely love finding deals. I love finding the perfect pieces, and it just makes sense when it all comes together. I think that's part of being a creative, being. So it is so exciting for me. So once again, I don't think that I've properly introduce myself to many of you who are joining the Luxe for Less family. I see that we have grown quite substantially over the past few months. So for those of you guys who are new here, welcome, welcome, welcome to the Luxe for Less family. You guys comment down below and let me know if you're a new subby and how long you've been here and what aspect of the content are you liking most. And for you guys who, are old head members and the oldies but goodies, goodie members of the Luxe for Less family, make them feel warm and welcome. We are a very positive community. We love spreading positive messages, and we love making people happy. That's what we specialize in here, over here on this platform. We specialize in making people happy, spiritually, mentally, naturally. That's what we do. Whether it's through praying, partying, or, decorating your home. So thank you guys so much again for watching. And if you're not a member of the Luxe for Less family, all you have to do is smash that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you will never miss out on a video. Until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!